Hi and welcome back, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. And if this is your first time seeing my face, hello, my name is TK, and on this channel I dive deep into handbags, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all things luxury. But of course, over here we like to keep it at a minimal cost. If this is your vibe, sis, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I hope you all are doing well today. We are back. I have a haul today that nobody asked for, but I just wanted to show off some pieces that I picked up and I wanted to share with you all because I think you all sometimes love the pieces that I show. So when I get pieces that I am very passionate about, I definitely want to come on here and show you these pieces. And if you are new here, thank you for stopping by on my side of this World Wide Web. And if you have a moment, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the family. This is a safe, amazing community over here. We love luxury over here, but we love a luxury at a more affordable cost because we try to be cost efficient over here. So without further ado, let's get on with today's video. And first up, I want to show you a ready to wear piece from, and it is this blouse that I am wearing now. This blouse is amazing. It is a little mesh, so it is see-through. I actually have on like a nude bra right now, so you cannot even see through this. And I just love the texture and I love the color of this blouse. This blouse is amazing. I love where it comes right at my wrist. This blouse you can still wear now in the spring. You can even get away with this blouse in the summertime if you're going somewhere. I have already worn this to work, and I wore it this way with some brown trousers on because of the deep brown colors in this blouse. And it has these like flower detailing all over it with the lace embellishment. I just think this blouse is so chic. It's so beautiful. And like I said, it is light and airy. You can wear this all year round if you want. If you decide to wear this in late fall or winter, all you have to do is put you a cami underneath and you are good to go. These are some of the pieces that I love when they are versatile and you can wear them all year round. It has this high neckline, which I love a high neckline because I think a high neckline is very chic, and it comes probably about right at my bum if I was to untuck it. I am one who loves to tuck my blouses. I tuck them all the time because I prefer high-waisted pants because it just accentuates my silhouette, and I just love this blouse. As I say, it has these pearl buttons, and it has a pearl button on the back to latch the back of the high neck collar. And like I said, this blouse is very chic. I love it, and I hope you girls love it too. So I'm just gonna stay on this brand. I have been wanting this bag for so long. And when I saw this bag on Pinterest, I was like, I need this bag. I truly need this bag in my life, and I have got to get my hands on this bag. I finally got my hands on this bag, and oh my God, you girls are going to gag when you see this bag. And I'm pretty sure you probably saw it floating around Pinterest if you are a Pinterest girl and you love to go onto Pinterest for inspirations like myself. But let me show you this bag. I'm telling you, when I saw this bag, I was just floored when I saw it on Pinterest. And I have been trying to get my hands on this bag for so long and couldn't get my hands on it. And when I did get my hands on this bag, I was just like, oh my gosh, the girls is going to love this. I am so glad that I got this bag in my collection. And without further ado, let's just isn't she to die for? I love her. I love the hardware on her. She comes with some amazing hardware. Let me take all the paper and stuff out. I just wanted to make sure that I kept her shape because I wanted to show you girls this bag in full motion. She comes with a long crossbody strap or shoulder strap, however you want, because you know you can always just double wrap this to make it into a shoulder strap. And it has this beautiful antique gold hardware. It has this rope detailing all around the bag. It has the brand name and logo embossed in this bag. And this is the bottom, and this is your top. And this is how the chain hardware looks. And let's just go into her. She has the regular turn, twist, lock. And this is the inside of her. And oh my gosh, girls, the quality of her is so amazing. Like I said, I've seen her on my Pinterest, and I put her on my Pinterest board, and I was just so in love with this bag. I said, I need this bag in my life, and I finally got my hands on this bag, and I said, I have got to show the girls this bag because they're gonna love this bag. But of course, you know I love a crossbody bag, so I will definitely crossbody this bag. She is to die for. The quality of her is so amazing. When I say so amazing, her quality, let's just take a moment of silence for her. Let's just take a moment of silence for this bag. I am totally in love with this bag. I just love the look of this bag, and I just can't wait to style this bag. So I have a pair of shoes that I wanted to show you girls that I picked up, and I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. It's Winston. He is being Winston. And it is from this brand, and I already have a pair of these shoes, but in the same shoe, but a different style. And I just had to get this style because you know I am still for my career working babes, and I just needed the pair that I had because they had the loafers with the back out. I couldn't really wear those to work because they weren't really appropriate. And so I got these to wear to work. And you all know how much I am a loafer girl. I tell you all how much I am a loafer girl. And hold on, I'm trying to get the paper out of here. And I could not resist. I could not resist. Look at the quality of these. I love these shoes. I love these shoes so much. And I swear, I just needed these to wear to work. I just thought maybe this would be perfect for me because I do wear a lot of neutrals, and I have a brown pair of Miu Miu loafers, but they're like patent leather, and they're the shiny patent leather. So I needed something that was going to be a little more muted and just a little more, you know, not so flashy in your face. And these right here just set the tone for me. I picked these up in my size, a Euro 37, and they fit me perfect. When I say they fit me perfect, ladies, they fit me so perfect. And here's the bottom of them. And I just cannot wait. I can just see myself styling these, not even just to go to work. I can see myself with these with some jeans on or with a t-shirt. You don't even have to dress up. You can dress these up or down. This is what I love about these loafers. And like I said, I do have the same loafers, and I have the same color, and I also have them in black, but the back is out. So they're like a mule type. And I just wanted more of a full loafer. So I got these basically for work. But like I said, I can find many places to wear these. And I'm going to really look put together with these on. So I have another bag to show you. And I have always wanted one of these bags, but I just never pulled the plug on this bag. And I was just like, why not? Unfortunately, I got silver hardware, which I would have gotten gold hardware. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this bag because I really, really prefer gold hardware. But some of my silver girls, you would probably love this bag. And it is just a classic. When we think of this brand, it is such a classic. And we all know this bag has always been that girl. And this is her up close. As I said, she has silver hardware. She has top handle. She have a detachable crossbody strap. She has this zip up compartment here. This is how she looks in the inside with the extra compartment, zip up compartment here. And she is wide, so you can fit a lot in her. And she is the size 25. Yeah, she's a 25. I prefer more of a 35. I think it's a 35 is the next, 30 or 35 is the next. I prefer the next size up in gold hardware, and I'm going to get that bag. But this is her. Isn't she in amazing quality, especially for my girls who love silver hardware? This will be an amazing bag to carry, especially if you want to be hands-free. You can crossbody this bag. And for me, I will definitely keep the crossbody strap on, but I think I would just tote this bag top handle because I just love the look of this bag. I just wish I would have gotten her in a size 30, 35. I think it's a 35. That's the next step up. I wish I would have got it in this, but I was only able to get this one in silver hardware. And I just think that this bag is very versatile. You can dress her up, you can dress her down. I just love when I see girls on my Pinterest, board showing these bags and show how they style them. So it just gave me so many ideas of how I can wear this bag. Last but not least, I have two items that's basically the same items, but just different styles. And I know my girls have been telling me how much they are a planner girl. And I spoke about planners in a video, probably about 3 or 4 videos ago. And I showed this LV planner that I had, but it had all kinds of paintings on it with like a panda bear and the LV little iconic little doll. But I wanted something plain and simple for my girls who love just plain and simple planners and don't want to be too flashy. This one right here is definitely the size that you can put in your bag with no problems. And I just love looking at this. This one looks so chic. This one is more for my classier girls. The other one that I had was more flashy, and it's for my fun girls, and that's why I added it in my pink haul because it was just such a fun one. And it comes with these different card slots here. It comes with your 6-ring binder with your agenda paper inside, and it has this one flap on the back. And this one actually reminds me of my large GM planner that I have that I've had for centuries, but I love that planner. And I always said that I needed something small to go into my bag so I wouldn't have to take that large planner with me. So I definitely wanted something small and compact. But if I'm not trying to be all cute and, girly, this one is definitely saying you're that girl. So I also picked up another one, but this one you can add whatever you want in the inside. This one is more of your quiet luxury. You can see the brand logo here. You can see a little part of the branding here. And this one is one that if you don't want to be flashy and you love that quiet luxury, this is a good one. So you can go on Amazon and buy inserts in here, which will be so cheap. These are so much cheaper than getting the large desk one, the GM ones. This one you can buy different inserts to go with it, and you can style it however you want. And I just thought maybe you girls would be more interested in more, I wouldn't say plain, but something that's not so colorful like the other one that I showed. And I know a lot of you girls were definitely interested in planners. So I just wanted to pick up some more planners so that you can see that you girls have lots of options with these type of planners. All right, my babes, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you girls enjoyed today's video. It was short and sweet, but I just wanted to come on and show those few pieces that I had picked up. I have so much more stuff that I definitely have to show you girls that I think you're gonna love. I have a big, large Shein haul coming up, and that haul is going to be a under $10 Shein partnership that I have, so look for that. And I also have some amazing jewelry pieces from these brands that I have never even heard of that I think you girls would love. I just have a lot of things coming up, and I just feel so blessed that I am just constantly getting these partnerships and becoming affiliates with these different companies, and it just makes me feel like my hard work is still paying off. And as I say, if you are interested in any of my favorite finds, you can always check my link tree for any links to any of those items, and I will be sure to have anything linked that I can link in the description box with coupon codes that I have. So don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media pages. Give this video a big thumbs up because that lets YouTube know that you are enjoying my content. And until the next video, stay stylish, stay confident, and I will see you in my next.